Welcome back to another video, 727 Gaming. And today, I just, for some reason, I couldn't wait to play another one of the games on the list. But welcome to Tartarus Engine. Again, this game, as far beneath the haze of the haven of Earth, construction began on the foundation of a great computer decades later. First reality of eternal torment by the year is 2009. Tartarus Engine was created. Time passed to present the workers from exploiting the machine for their own personal gain. Multiple protective measures were set in place before technicians devised a plan to execute it into the night. There is no such thing as absolute security. Okay. So this is another game by the guy who made unsorted.
You really think it worked? Yes, but that wreck will almost cascade the engine in itself. After multiple errors, 1 second on Earth will translate to years in our simulation. And we can leave whenever we want to, right? Of course. Harper, what's the time? 46. We're cutting it close, but we should have enough time. Steve is going to pull the power at midnight. Once the engine automatically reboots, the inmates will be thrown into stasis. It should give us maximum power output, hopefully. Circuitry floor.
So he said partition 11. Grab the thing. So I guess this is like cool super. Okay. Inmates, maybe? Because they said something about inmates. I don't know. I think that's what they said. Tartarus Engine, partition input, maintenance access, floor splitter, partition input output. We need to go here. I think he said partition 11. I think that's what he said. 40. Why is this so far? Bolts. We're just gonna override panel of average. Okay, we're in the elevator again. They had this had something bad. I don't know. The light. It's midnight. Oh, just jumped the power. Okay, so the tower is just jumping. So I'm guessing they're inmates.
Harper, we are about to calibrate the device in a moment. There isn't much time left. Strap yourself in. I've almost got everything set up. Which preset are you running? The one where you peel potatoes? Splendid. Don't worry, it's just for a moment. I'll pull you out as soon as I get them in already. Alright, see you in a bit.
Okay. Oop.
I don't understand. They managed to translate the nature of consciousness into mathematics and recreate it in a digital interface, yet they use it for this. What even is this? Alright, is the image clear? Yes, the image is clear. Good, I'm setting up the cascade preset now. Warping in 30 seconds. thousands of empty void branches until we reach the final layer. There, we will have all the time in the world to craft our perfect presets. How long did it take you to write the code? I did not write it, I found it. Did it work? Shit, it said, right where each for the keyboard. Why, I can't move. I forgot to disable the auto. It's spelling us out. It's spelling us out layer by layer. What the hell did you... How many layers deep are we?